Therefore, I am grateful for the opportunity to speak before the Senate and present the truth. As a former member of the cabinet of the Duterte administration, it is also very hard for me to see the former president arrested. I worked closely with former President Duterte for so many years through the most serious crisis the country faced, and we have developed and nurtured a personal friendship. He trusted and respected me in the same way I trusted and respected him, even after our terms ended in 2022. As a soldier, my loyalty has always been to the Constitution and the chain of command. This has always been my principle when I served as the Commanding General of the Philippine Army under President Noynoy Aquino.
Sa gamay lang.
Then as
Katsa, ang iyang loyalty na ako sa konstitusyon. Kung sa may giingong sa konstitusyon, dili pwedeng dakpon ang tao og way warrant of arrest.
Straight to the point.
Kanang warrant of arrest issued by the Filipino judge. Ako nang gisuwat sa kong kulom, ha? Kaya binyo man siya nga sa konstitusyon ko, no? Porbida. Bebe, ato tiwason to. Sige, prosidong.
later as Secretary of the Department of Interior and Local Government under President Duterte, and now as National Security Advisor under President Marcos Jr. In its position, I have held under several administrations